Hi guys, you're welcome back to this step-by-step guide on how you can be able to add a bio to your TikTok account. I will show you guys how you can be able to add a TikTok bio, and it's very easy. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. So guys, let's get started. The first step you have to take is to go over to your TikTok account, and you can do that by tapping on your TikTok app. So let me tap on my TikTok app to open it. So guys, right here is my TikTok app. Here is my account. So now what you have to do next is to tap on your TikTok profile icon. You can see it right there at the bottom right. So let me tap on it. Then what you have to do next is to tap on where you can see edit profile. So let me tap on edit profile. Then what you have to do next is to tap on where you can see bio. You can see it right there. So let me tap on bio. Right here guys, you can see here is my bio. I've already added the bio, but let me erase it now to show you guys how you can add your own bio. You can see I've erased it. If you've not added the bio, it will be like this, just blank. So you can go ahead now to add something. So let me paste this right here. So guys, now you can see my new bio right here. So now after imputing your new bio, and make sure your bio is not more than 80 words. You can see it right there. Let it not be more than 80 letters. You can see it right there. So once you've imputed it, the next step you have to take now is to tap on save. So let me tap on save at the top real quick. So guys, now you can see saved. Now I now have a new TikTok bio. You can see it right there. So guys, this is how you can be able to add a TikTok bio. This is how you can be able to add a bio to your TikTok account. See you in the next upload. Bye.